Yo, what up? What up? What up, guys? This is the voice of Mr. Solution of Solution FX HQ. So, on today's episode, we're looking at the concept of forest lot size. Forest lot size. Oftentimes, we've heard people say something like, "I traded with one standard lot. I said it. I traded with 1 million, two mini lot sizes, and the rest of it." So, the essence of today's class is for us to do a thorough job on that so that you get to understand what each of these different lot sizes, what each of them represents. It will also help you to adequately size your position so that if you're entering any trade, the amount you're putting, you know the amount at stake. And if the trade hits your stop loss, you will know what you stand to lose. This will definitely help you in your journey of risk management and forex trading. All right, if you're new to this channel, if this is your first time of visiting this channel, I encourage you to click subscribe, like the video if you find it interesting, share it with your friends if you find it interesting, because I know that this is a topic that will help many forex traders, especially those of them who are still starting their journey, especially those who are just starting their journey. Okay, so if you've done that, let's go ahead. Right. So there are different types of lot sizes in the forex market. We have the standard lot size, the mini lot size, the micro lot, and then we have the nano lot size. So standard lot simply means your 100,000 units of the currency pair you're trading. For instance, you want to trade Euro GBP. Let me use that one as an example. You're trading Euro GBP, and the lot size you're using is one. You're using one standard lot size. So what it simply means is that you're buying 100,000 units of that currency pair. Okay. And if your choice of lot size is a mini lot size, which is which is just roughly 0.1. So what it simply means is that you're buying 10,000 units of that currency pair. Take, for instance, GBP USD. If you're trading it with one mini lot size, it simply means you're buying 10,000 units of that GBP USD, of that very currency pair. And the same thing also applies to micro lot size, which is 1,000 units of whatever currency pair it is you're trading. Now, I came here to say that you can equally trade fractional lot sizes. For instance, you could do 1.3 standard lot size. 1.3 standard lot simply means one lot size and then three mini lots. Three mini lot sizes. That's what we mean by 1.3 standard lot size. One lot size and three mini lot sizes. And then 2.5 mini lot sizes simply means two mini lot sizes and 0.5. That's five micro lot sizes. I hope this is clear enough, because it's not a must. You must use a whole number. It's not compulsory. You must use maybe one standard lot or one mini lot. You could do it in fraction. That's just what this point is trying to explain. Okay, so let's push on. Now, the next question we have to ask ourselves is, what is the value of a pip? Because it is both pip calculation and lot size, both of them go together. You can't know one and exclude the other. Okay, so both of them work together, especially when it comes to risk management in trading. These two concepts need to be well understood by you. Okay, so to answer this, we need to know how much one pip is worth. Okay, because if somebody is trading with one standard lot size, the value of one pip can be the same with another person who is trading with maybe two mini lot size or two micro lot size. Let me put it that way. So the value of a pip is dependent on whatever choice of lot size the trader is using. See, here I said this depends on two things: lot size and then the quote currency. So when it comes to lot size, here I made us to understand that one standard lot, which I told us in the beginning, that one standard lot simply means 100,000 units of the currency pair you're trading. So one standard lot is simply every pip move with one standard lot size is giving you $10. If you're trading with one standard lot, if the market moves by just one pip, what you are either making or losing, depending on the direction, is $10. If you're trading with mini lots, one mini lot, if the market moves one pip movement is equal to what? $1. Okay. And then if you're trading with micro lots, one pip move is equal to 0.1. I hope this is clear enough. I hope this is clear enough. Just take your time. Know that if you're trading with one standard lot, if the market moves by one pip, you're either making or losing $10. If you're trading with one mini lot, if the market moves one pip, depending on the direction, you're either making $1 or you're losing $1. The same thing applies to micro lots. If you're trading with micro lots, if the market moves one pip, you're either making or losing $0.1. Okay, so let's forge ahead. And then the quote currency. Yeah, it said if the quote currency is euro, then it means that one standard lot is equal to 100,000, which is 100,000 units, 100,000 units. That is, if the market moves by 1 pip, you're either making 10 euro or you're losing 10 euro per pip. Okay. So the same thing applies to mini lots and also micro lots. I hope this is clear now. Just take your time to understand it. Let's forge ahead. Now, I give an example here. I said that if you trade Euro USD and you buy 2.3 standard lots, how much is the value per pip? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do the maths. You trade Euro USD and you buy 2.3 standard lots. How much is the value per pip with that 2.3 standard lots you are using? So I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got that? So let's do the maths together. We've already established that in standard lots simply means 2.3 standard lots simply means 2 standard lots and 3 micro lots. 2.3 standard lots simply means 2 lot sizes and 3 micro lots. And we've established that if you're trading with 1 standard lot size, let's go back to that chart again. Let's go back to that intro explanation again. That if you're trading with 1 standard lot, each movement, each singular pip is giving you $10. Okay. So because we have 2.2 standard lots, so you have to multiply $10 by 2, which covers the standard lot size. So we have $20, and then we have 2.3, right? We have 2.3. So 3 mini lot size. And we've established that in the mini lot size, each movement represents what? $1. So 3 times 1 is what? 3. So the answer here is what? 23. So if you're trading Euro USD with 2.3 standard lot size, each time the market moves 1 pip, you're making $23. If it drops by 1 pip, you're losing $23. Please get this clear. Another example. Let's say you trade GBP odd and you buy 5.5 mini lots. 5.5 mini lots. 5.5 mini lots. Get that clear? How much is the value per pip? 5.5 mini lots. How much is the value per pip? I'll give you time to figure that out. 5 seconds to figure that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5.5 odd per pip, and it's very simple. If with this is 5.5 mini lots, which simply means 5 mini lot sizes and 5 micro lot sizes. That's why we have 5.5. 5 mini lot sizes and 5 micro lot size. And from the establishments, we already have that when it comes to mini lot size, 1 pip represents what? $1. So we have 5 lot sizes. So 5 times 1 will give us what? 5. And we also established that micro lot size, each pip represents what? 0.1. So 0.1 times 5 is what? 0.1 times 5 is what? Is 0.5. 0.5. So we have 5.5 as what? As the value per pip. So if you're trading GBP odd and you buy 5.5 mini lot size, each singular pip movement represents what? 5.5 odd per pip. Each pip movement represents 5.5 odd. Okay, so just look at this. This is just what will guide you in your trading. So if your capital, depending on the size of your capital, if you're using $50 as your capital, so high risk here would be 0.10 lot size. The mid risk will be 0.05 lot size, and the low risk will be 0.01. And if you're trading, your capital is $100, your high risk will be 0.2, mid risk will be 0.10, and then the low risk will be 0.01. The same thing applies to 500. If your capital is 500, high risk will be 1 lot size, mid risk will be 0.50 lot size, low risk will be 0.05 lot size, and then your capital is $1,000. Your high risk will be 2.0 lot size. The mid risk will be 1.0 lot size, and then the low risk would be what? 0.01 lot size. So this will help you. So anytime you're trading, before you enter the trade, check the lot size you're using. Know whether this thing is high risk or whether it's mid risk or whether it's low risk. So this will guide you. Okay, you could just screenshot it or just get the video so that anytime you want to take any trade, you could always come to this and refresh it. And there are instances, there are cases whereby the money, your capital is not, it's not among the ones listed there. Let's say your capital is 1,500. It's very simple. Just take the value from these values I give. Take the one that is closest to the amount of money you're trading with. Take the value that is closest to the amount of money you're trading with and then use it. For instance, if you're trading with $1,500, now your standard, for high risk, standard lot, your high risk, standard lot size, your lot size for high risk will be 2.0 lot size. The mid risk will be 1.0, and then the low risk will be 0.01. So just take the one that is closest to the amount of money you have and use it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I hope this has been able to clear any gray area when it comes to understanding lot sizes and then calculating pips in your trading. If you like this content, kindly like, share, comment, and any question of your choice, any question you want us to handle, you can always drop it in the comment section. I will take care of it. Or maybe there's a video you want me to do, something you want me to teach you, just keep it at the comment section and I'll talk to you guys soon. Answer here. Salute.